All right, y'all, we're gonna make a Crockpot country bacon and sausage noodles. We start with a pound of ground breakfast sausage and a pound of chopped up bacon. Throw it on there in our Crockpot. Moving right along, we're gonna also throw in 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Go ahead and scrape that thing out so you get it all out of there. Grab that other can. Get that all in there. This is for you comfort food lovers out there and Southern food lovers. I feel like the Midwest crowd will love it too. Cream of mushroom soup as well, just 1 can of that. In the last liquid part, we're gonna throw in 1 cup of chicken broth in there. And finally, a packet of ranch seasoning mix. Throw all that together and then go ahead and give that a light stir. Kind of get it all mixed together. All right, and once you've given it a good mix, go ahead and put your lid on. We're gonna put it on high for 3 to 4 hours. We got one more step. And after about 3 to 4 hours, go ahead and take your lid off. And we wanna put in 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. And I would cube it out like this into 8 different cubes so it melts a little easier while it's in there. It'll come off of the packaging here. There you go. And just let that get fully melted into your mixture. All right, and once you have that cheese nice and stirred and melted in there, our final step, we're gonna throw in 12 ounces of cooked egg noodles. And get that nice and mixed into there. All right, once you've given it a good mix, you can serve it up. My daughter's excited about it, that's for sure. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Moment of truth. I'll make sure I get that sausage in there too. Good bite. Yo, that is super good. I would have never thought to put breakfast sausage and bacon with noodles, but I'm telling y'all, this is legit good. Y'all should try it. I'm not even playing. Try it at home.